And inflation is coming down. It's down 60% since last summer. Core inflation is the lowest level in 2 years, and now we have the lowest inflation rate of any G7, any major industrial country in the world. We're creating good jobs in communities. We have more to do. We're creating good jobs in communities across the country, including in places that have been left behind for too long because factories shut down, towns were hollowed out, and jobs were moved, and people lost their sense of pride. Hold a second, think about it. How many small towns you know in Pennsylvania and all across the Midwest where there was a factory that for 30, 40 years people were able to work and have a good, decent salary, live a middle-class life. And all of a sudden, corporate America decided, I'm going to find cheaper labor overseas. I'm going to send the job overseas and import the product. Not anymore. When those jobs move overseas, they're bringing them back. And we're bringing them back big time. Big time. And by the way, I mean, think of the pride. You know, you lived in a neighborhood. You live in a small town. Your whole life, your father, your grandfather, you're able to make it. And all of a sudden, there's nothing left. Kid comes to you and says, I got a good education, Mom, but I can't live here anymore. There's no jobs. We're going to restore their pride as well. Under Bidenomics, you don't have to leave home or your family to get a good job. Under Bidenomics, we're investing in industries of the future.